You won't get a snake in your boot at Hollywood Studios, but you're going to have a really good chance of seeing Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and Jessie in Toy Story Land. Follow along to see why Hollywood Studios is all about the little ones and why it may just become their favorite park. Welcome to the Smart Moms Plan Disney Travel Channel, where we ask the question, why plan alone? In Toy Story Land, you can ride up, down, and all through Andy's room on one of my family's favorite roller coasters, Slinky Dog. You can spin around on alien swirling saucers and rack up some points by blasting away some moving targets on Toy Story Mania. Then your little one can meet and greet Pixar pals and get some autographs. Talk about incredible! We can't forget about Mickey and Minnie on the red carpet. On Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, you will be zipped away on an adventure that will sure to entertain the little ones into the world of Mickey and Minnie on your very own train ride. Hollywood Studios is also home of some great shows that your kids are going to love and watch and dance and sing along with. Dance with your favorite characters like Mickey, Minnie, and Doc McStuffins. Watch The Magical Tale of Beauty and the Beast, and sing along at the First Time in Forever Sing-Along celebration. I'm pretty sure that Disney Imagineers sat down and thought about all those little picky eaters when they decided on snacks and meals, because there was no detail spared. Hollywood and Vine has some popular Disney Junior stars and food that will please everyone, big and small. Or perhaps your family would like dinner and a show at Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater. If your little ones like to actively eat, then Roundup Rodeo Barbecue is the place for you. 50s Primetime Cafe is just like going into the 50s kitchen for some good old mom's cooking. For a meal on the go, grab something from Woody's Lunchbox. And Hollywood Scoops has the best Mickey Brownie sundae. Adults and kids alike love the detail and interactive lands at Hollywood Studios. What do you want to do the most? Tell us in the comments. And fill out the questionnaire in the description if you don't already have a Smart Moms agent helping you, and we can make your family's dreams come true with an amazing vacation. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a thing.